Good morning. Welcome to week number 5. I'm excited about introducing the concepts of beverage. And this particular semester, we do have a little bit of extra time. So this week is all about preparing your beverage assignment that's going to be due on February 20th. So in addition to that, I wanted to review with you the assignment that I posted last week. And on this beverage assignment, you are to answer the following questions about your beverage assigned. How is it made? Where does it come from? What are some trends? And what food does it pair best with? And so scrolling down into the assignment, you can see that for each assigned beverage, you'll see which one is responsible for each student. Please take a look at that. I would love to see your submission presented as a video or a PowerPoint or however you feel most comfortable to present the information to you. When this was an in-class setting, we did have them all as presentations where people needed to stand up in front of the class and speak about their assigned beverage. So I'm really excited to see the results of that next week because then we will be participating in a secondary assignment, which is going to be a discussion on those beverages. And so what it will look like is this beverage presentations. You're going to ask and answer one question from each of the presentations. So I'll enter each of the presentations that are turned in to me in this discussion, and you'll have a chance to answer questions from your peers when they've viewed your presentation, as well as be able to view the other presentations from the other students, kind of trying to mimic what we would have done in a classroom where you would present and be able to ask questions and learn about all of the beverages, not just the one that you were assigned to. So I hope that makes sense. I am available for office hours on Tuesdays, and I did post an announcement that on Tuesday, March 1st, we will have a joint office hours with the other HTM professor. So I'm excited about that, and that'll be on Tuesday, March 1st at 5:30. Please take a look at the announcement, and I will be able to send reminders in advance. So good luck on your beverage presentations. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to viewing them. Thank you.